Hello everybody, my name is Alexandra and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will try the weirdest coffee what I found in Vietnam. So I already ordered coffee and let me read what I order. So here is mushroom coffee, coconut latte, salt coffee, lemongrass coffee, banana coffee, Saigon milk coffee, and specialty from Vietnam, the famous one, coffee with egg. That's really crazy. So let's try. To be honest, I already try a little, one by one, to be sure that is okay, and I will alive. So now I will try again. Here is banana coffee, and to be honest, this coffee is a little bit weird. All coffee there really weird because this is robusta. In Vietnam is really all coffee, like 90% is robusta, and it's a little bit different taste of everything what I tried before because it's like more strong coffee, like beans of coffee. So here you really can feel really so strong taste of coffee and with banana, and this is like like milkshake with coffee taste. So I will give it like maybe 6 out of 10, just only because I don't really like sweet drinks. But for people who like it, I think it's paradise. Let's try the next one. Is coconut coffee. This coffee is really little bit weird because you can feel that here is coconut water with little bit coffee. I don't know, for me it's so weird when you don't really feel the taste of coffee and coconut water. It's like coconut water, not coconut milk. So when you drink it, you like feel I don't know, like coffee 5%, and another one is coconut water, a little weird, and with ice. Don't understand at all. Here is my favorite one. Coffee with lemongrass. I like and this style of coffees. Oh my god, look. Here is even you can see how it's swimming, floating a lemongrass with lemon. My favorite one is like like iced tea, lemon tea, but with how is it, espresso. I like so much. It's really make me feel happy. I don't know this drink. So this is my taste. This is my taste. If you don't know how it feels, lemongrass is like grass with lemon. Good explaining. Yeah, that's nice. So here is Saigon coffee. Also, one of the famous one is like coffee with condensed milk. I really don't understand when it's sweet drinks, and here is one coffee with salt and one is Saigon. So they are kind of similar, but one is with salt, but another one without. Mm. So weird taste, to be honest, because you feel coffee after it's going like a lot of condensed milk, aftertaste, and I don't know. For me, it's like drinking ashtray. I don't know how to explain a different way, but this this coffee is really not for me. And with salt is more weird. Same, but with salt. It's like ashtray with salt. Did you ever try? Really dislike. For these two drinks, I will put like maybe 3 out of 10. Really so weird. And last two coffee what I have here is one with mushroom and another one with egg. Egg. Do you understand it? To be honest, it's really like a scariest thing to try in Vietnam. I don't know, for me, because really like this weird taste. I can't even imagine it. Um, how was created this coffee with egg? So in 1940s, in Vietnam, in Ho Chi Minh, it was not enough milk, and one man created this coffee. He mixed egg with sugar, egg with sugar, and it's like alternative for milk. Crazy, right? I think that's so crazy. And since that, since this time, this coffee is really starting to be like one of the famous one in the all of Vietnam. Everybody starting to drink it. Let's try this crazy drink. Yes, they also put inside condensed milk, like a lot. To be honest, you don't really feel egg in this drink. You just feel so heavy foam, like so heavy foam with condensed milk, a lot of sugar. I will say that this drink is like maybe 100% of sugar or condensed milk, and it's so little aftertaste of coffee. That's really crazy, and I think it's not really healthy at all. And coffee would really like looks scary. Wait, I will just show you because it looks like some insects inside. That's really crazy. Wait. You know, it smells like so dirty socks. I can't imagine how people can drink it just without jokes, you know, like just not for video or. It's really crazy. It smells so bad. Oh my god. Please put like under this video and a comment because that's really crazy. Tell me please in the comments which one you would like to try and which one never. That's really crazy. Oh my god. But you really feel like here 90% of milk, I don't know, 2% of coffee, and another part is mushroom. Oh my god, I don't even imagine like is dry mushroom or what. I think dry mushroom and they like I don't know, blended. That's really crazy. How they created it. In Vietnam is really a lot of weirdest coffee. If you want me to make part 2 of this video, let me know. And why did I make this video? Because in Vietnam, coffee is really like a big culture, and Vietnam is the second country in the world producer of coffee producer in the world. So yes, I think that's incredible fact. I hope you really like this video. Don't forget to put a like. And with you was Alexandra Del. See you. Bye. Don't forget to follow me.